Hey guys, welcome to Buy Best Price. And if you are planning to buy a fridge for your house, so today I have come with a good model which is a 437 liter and it will be a copper color. As you can see here, it is a 4 star, so it is going to take 232 units per year. And if I'll be talking about the model number, so model number is GLT 432 FASN. And if you go to the down, so here you can see the smart diagnosis system by which it is going to diagnose the problem of the fridge whenever it will be a problem in your fridge. Here is a diagnosis system, and you will have to install and ThinQ application, and there will be a sound come from outside, and after diagnosis this, it will going to know that what is the problem in exactly what area. So it is a auto smart connect also, so you can run it on your home inverter. And as we go down here, so you can see it will be work without a stabilizer, so there is no need to put any stabilizer for that. And if I'll be talking about the feature of this fridge, so here you can see smart ThinQ application. You can download and use this, and dual fridge option. And if you come here, so you can see here the hygiene, fresh and Wi-Fi, and here is a lock by which you can lock the touch button also. It is a model, you can see here handle model, and it has a also lock system. So let's go to the enter this fridge and see inside the what is LG is providing inside the door. If I'm talking about the shelf, so here you will get 5 shelves, and the shelf quality is very premium, and you can see here a key by which you can lock this fridge, and the door quality is also very good. Here you will get a large space of shelf by which you can put here easily 5 to 4 bottles. Let's go to enter the fridge. Very beginning you will find here door cooling system by which you can easily cool your doors, and in the top of the fresh ozone you can put here fish and meats. If I'm talking about the shelf, so you will get here 2 shelves, and as soon as we go down, so here is a fruit and vegetable box. Right? Here is a convertible also, you can convert fruit and vegetable. So let me show you the box. You can easily go inside, and there is also you can see that hygiene fresh, so it is going to remove all smells of your fridge. Let's go to enter the freezer zone. If I'll be talking about the freezer, so it is a dual fridge, you can see here, and here is a ice making system, and here is a tray. After completing the ice, you can pick from here, and here is a 2 shelves in the door, you can see. So have a look whole fridge. I'm going to open both doors of this. Huge space, easily 5 to 6 people can put all the stuffs here, so it will be good for 5 to 6 members for family. So this is all about this fridge. I will provide the buying link in the description box. You can easily go and click there and see the latest price what is going on the online market. And I have also made another separate videos on these models, so you can go and check our playlist by which you can get their separate videos. And we do have a website also which is buybestprice.in. You can go and check there. There are lots of posts by we are reviewing there, so you can easily know about the products what are currently running these days. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, so like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook page, you can like our Facebook page also. So this is all about today. I will come from another video tomorrow. Thank you.